This is Everybody Yell Go Knights. The ending may be a little bit different from what we've done in previous seasons, but this is how we're going to do it from now on. Everybody yell!